My school. This is my school. In my school, you can see a lot of flowers and trees. You can see many big and bright classrooms too. A lot of 许多大量，既可以修饰可数名词的复数形式，又可以加不可数名词。Big and bright， 又大又明亮，由 and 来连接两个形容词，又怎么怎么样，又怎么怎么样。Look, this is my classroom. You can see many chairs and desks in it. My classmates and I study hard here. 我的同学们和我，我们要把第一人称放在后边。We have a Chinese and math every day. 每天都有语文课和数学课。Every day 一般现在时的标志词，主语加动员。I like music and PE. They are interesting. Music makes me happy. Make somebody 加形容词，使某人怎么怎么样。And PE makes me strong. This is the playground. Is it big? I often play basketball here after school. After school 在放学以后。Play 直接加球类运动。You can see lots of students run in the playground. 看见某人做了某事。See somebody do something. My school is great, and I love her very much.